Hello guys, welcome to my channel NEC1. So finally, Rebor Token Airdrop withdrawal is now live. So if you participated in mining this airdrop, you can now go ahead and claim your airdrop. So the listing for the airdrop is on Dex Exchange, which is TurnFi, which is taking place on the 31st March. Then comes the listing on CEX, which will take place on April 5th. So you can go ahead and read all information on their community group. So let's go ahead and withdraw our Reb token. But first, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, so do well to subscribe as we have reached 1K subscriber. Thanks to you guys. First thing first is to connect your wallet, then click on withdraw. So you can see that we need to make a ton transactions of 0.2 ton. So remember, this is not a financial advice. So you can do well to make your own research before making any ton payments. So this is my balance, which I want to withdraw right now. You can see that I have successfully made the payment. So let's wait for the airdrop to arrive on my Townkeeper and also the listing period. But currently, we don't know the listing price for this airdrop. As you can see, the countdown for the claiming of the airdrop is on. So now we have come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, NEC1, and also turn on the bell notifications for more updates coming your way. So peace out.